Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I am playing with the Chasing Rainbows collection by Traci Reed. This is a digital collection, and of course I sent mine to print at Office Depot and am able to play with the collection just like anything else. So I did cut the word love out of big white letters and then regular, just classic red cardstock. And I thought I liked the way it looked, but I just wanted to audition the yellow pattern paper in her collection as the border for the outline of my letters. So here I am just cutting out the L to see if I will like the yellow border instead. And I do lay it down, and you'll be able to see it in a moment. And in the end, while I do like the yellow, and I think it still pops off the beautiful plaid rainbow background that I've chosen, I still stick with the red at this point. I find that the red just has the letters pop off of the background a little bit better without making it be like black, which was I was thinking about. So then I also auditioned like to mat the pattern paper that I printed on the orange. I pulled out a pink and like a blue color as well. And in the end, I will mat it on the orange piece of paper because when you send them to print, even though you get the 12 by 12 JPEG or PDF file. When you go to Office Depot, they don't print 12 by 12, so the biggest you can get is the 8.5 by 11, I believe, and they don't have the option to, what is it called, like bleed off, so you always have like this little 1/4 inch white trim around your papers, which doesn't really bother me. Like I said, I like matting my photos anyway, so matting my layouts anyway, so this just kind of entices you to mat your layouts. And so I'm using a different size actually at this point. I did buy an 8.5 by 11 scrapbook album. So I'll be able to start using this size from now and again. And I do love the way this layout turns out. So I fussy cut out all the gorgeous illustrated florals that Traci did in this collection. I actually have 3 printed off pages of the florals because I'm going to be using all these lovely flowers again. So I got the idea of just kind of gathering them toward the bottom corners of each letter. I think I've seen Paige Evans do this a few times in different layouts or having them peek through. And I love the look and the idea of it because I could have probably covered all the letters in florals, but I really love the way this turned out in the end. With the florals just peeking out on the bottom of each letter. And while I look at it, also too, I might go back and add a flower or two on the picture itself with the O, because I do use a few of the embellishments, but I just feel like florals were everywhere, and I should probably add a few more florals. That can't hurt, right? And stop it. At the moment, you see me using fabric fusion glue. I have lost my fine liner at the moment. I like can't find it anywhere on my desk, and I've been doing a few things that are coming up soon, like a Disney junk journal. I have a few more layouts, so my desk is kind of atrocious. So I am literally using fabric fusion, even though that is a new bottle of Scotch Quick Dry. I just know that I need to find my fine line bottle in order to use it because I hate using the nozzle. It's too broad of a, glue application. So this is me using Fabric Fusion, which is actually a really good glue. I know it's used for fabric, but it's used, and when it dries, it almost becomes like very, almost like skin when it dries on your hand, kind of thing. So it bonds really well, is the story that I'm trying to tell with this. So once I love the placement of everything, I'm going to use my T-square ruler and line up the L and the O together for the top half, and then obviously the V and the E together. Now I will leave the link down below for Traci Reed's collection. I've been thoroughly enjoying this way of scrapbooking lately because I get to pick and choose the papers I want to use, and so you have the ability to have all the collection or just print out what you really know you're going to use and love. I've been using it in my memory keeping album as well as my 12 by 12 layouts. It's just a really fun way to use digital products, so definitely give it a try. I will leave the links, like I said, down below, and you should follow the other girls in the design team. They are coming up with some great layouts, and it's almost inspiring me, but I don't have Photoshop because I don't do digital scrapbooking, even though I probably would love it because they can use so many layers of embellishments with that program. I just don't have Photoshop. I wish I did, because then I would totally be digital scrapbooking in addition to regular scrapbooking. Till next time, everyone. Bye.